Devastation here at Leopard Lodge, the 8th of June 2014. Still raining. Everything bulldozed. All the way down to the bottom. But the good thing is, I can actually walk down now, right to the bottom, and my bamboos have been spared. Another one down there, another one down there. And a couple of my bamboos I thought had got killed, didn't. Even though the bulldozer has been over them. It's still there. And the miscanthus grass. So things aren't as bad as I first thought. And the buddleia, even the buddleia survived. Which is down here. So, God, I was going to dig this up because there was a digger down here, but it's gone now. There's the buddleia, still survived, and more bamboo there.